Hi class! Let's learn about subject-verb agreement. So what is subject-verb agreement? It is the grammatical concept where a sentence subject and verb must match in numbers. So when you say the subject is singular, the verb must be in singular form. And when the subject is plural, the verb must be also in plural form. So let's have an example. So you have a singular subject which is she. So the verb must be in singular form also. So she sings beautifully. So the verb is sing. Okay? When the verb is singular, you will add s or es. Okay. So here, she sings beautifully. Next example. So the subject here is angel. She is the subject is singular. So the verb must also be in a singular form. So is angel blank to school? Is it walk or walks? So the answer is correct. Angel walks to school. It's because the verb must be in singular. You will add s to the verb. Next is, what if the subject is plural? Plural means more than one. So this example, the subject is the kids. There are two kids, one boy and one girl. The verb must be in plural form. So in this case, we do not add s on the verb. So the sentence must be the kids walk to school. Okay? Next example. The subject is they. So they pertains to the family here. They pertains to the family. The verb must be in plural. So, they blank lunch together. Is it eat or eat? Okay. The correct is eat because we do not add an S to the verb. Now let's practice. Are you ready? Okay. So the first question, the cat blank the mouse. Is it chased or chases? Chases. Okay. The next one is the dogs blank loudly at night. Is it bark or barks? Okay, bark. Very good. So the dogs bark loudly at night. Next example, we blank the park. Is it play or place? Play, because we pertains more than one person, including you. Okay, good job. And then the last question is, the flowers blank wonderful. Is it smell or smells? Okay, smell. Good job. So the flowers smell wonderful. Good job. So do you have further question with regards to our discussion? Okay, goodbye.